Christy Ferguson, owner of Beyond the Box. I'm super excited to show you one of our latest new construction projects. This is the heart of the home, the kitchen. And as you can see, this kitchen has massive amounts of countertop space. This big window brings in so much natural light. These are quartz countertops with a quartz matching windowsill. I love this windowsill feature because it really adds a lot of durability in the space. So if you're thinking about your succulent plants sitting here, you don't have to worry about the water spots. You can just wipe that right off. Of course, anytime we do quartz, we like to do an undermount sink with it. We all want to have the maximizing function in a space. So here we've added a double wastebasket pullout, drawer storage, so there's multiple of these throughout. And then of course, when you look behind me at these cabinets, there's a second tier of cabinetry, which gives you a lot of storage, but also it looks amazing. Moving over here into the hood, this is a custom hood with a custom Roman clay finish. I love it because it's just a little off color from the cabinetry. And then when we paired this tile with it, it really brings all of the tones together, bringing in that organic feel. The gold hardware that we placed on it just gives it that extra little touch that feels pizzazzy. The icing on top of this kitchen is the under cabinet lighting. I love this because it's great task lighting, but it's also great ambient lighting. Now, take a look at the living room because you'll see we added that same special touch over here. Our team did a beautiful job bringing all the tones together. You'll notice the organic pillowy shape of the hearth. This tile matches the tile in the kitchen. Here we've got additional storage, again, coordinating with the kitchen, matching countertop. This wood, I love this. We talked about the under cabinet lighting in the kitchen. As you can see, we've done under cabinet lighting here as well to create that ambient lighting. One of the things that our team does is it takes your dream, it takes your wants, and it really brings it all into one space that we call your home. So you'll also notice within this space, it is that open concept feeling. So it goes kitchen, dining room, living room, so that your whole family and your friends can enjoy the space together. Now let's go take a look at the primary suite. Okay, you guys, the primary suite. You cannot help but to notice this freestanding tub. Amazing, everybody needs it. Big shower with dual shower heads, a horizontal niche all the way across the back. You'll notice that that niche has reeded tile, so it coordinates with the theme that we've done throughout the house. The tile, we laid this horizontally, so it goes straight up the back wall, but then we turned the angle so that it runs vertically on the shower heads. As you look over here, again, coordinating quartz countertops, cabinets that coordinate throughout the house, drawers in the middle for the storage. We've mixed the metals in this bathroom, so we've done black faucets with some gold accents. And again, one of my personal favorites on this are these lighted mirrors. Call Beyond the Box today to design the kitchen and living spaces for your new construction project.